everyone, welcome back to my channel. So Nykaa went ahead and launched their first ever mascaras in 3 different variants. You have one for your curling, lengthening as well as volumizing. Now before I jump into the packaging, pricing and how these mascaras perform, yes, I was sent the mascaras in the PR, but I never received the box because I just missed the phone call from the courier boy and he took it back. Since I stay in a very restrictive area, he just cannot deliver the box to anyone. For that matter, nobody is going to receive it on my behalf. So yes, I just missed the PR from Nykaa, but nevertheless, I did place an order on the launch date itself. I did update you guys on my IG. If you're not been following me on my Instagram, then what are you doing? If you have Instagram, just follow me there. You are missing a lot. So yes, I did mention that I have been placing order on these Nykaa Lash Talk Mascara and you people were very excited. And yes, here I am with this interesting review. If you want to know everything, just sit tight, hang on till the end of the video because there is a small surprise. Packaging does play a very important role when coming to makeup products and when you have multiples of same thing in your vanity. Now talking about these 3 mascaras, when you see all the 3 together, if you remove the cap, how would you know which one is for what? So when you remove your hand, you have 3 different caps. Now pink one is for curling, yellow one is for volumizing and the fluorescent green is for lengthening. So I did not read it, it's just that by the cap I know which mascara I'm going to lift. So there you go, Nykaa, for the good packaging and a good thought behind the whole packaging. Now the only one drawback with the packaging is that they have not mentioned the manufacturing or the expiry of the mascara. Being an eye product, it is a very important thing to be mentioned on the product, which is definitely missing here. So yes, thoda so ho gaya gadbad. So I would give 9 out of 10 to the packaging. When you open the mascara, you get a brush like this. Now this one is for lengthening, so you get different wands for different mascaras. These mascaras are cost differently. The volumizing mascara would cost you rupees 399. On the other hand, these 2 mascaras, the curling and the lengthening, would cost you rupees 349. In all the 3 mascaras, you get 8 ml of product. Now the pricing and the quantity of product you're getting here is much more because compared to many other brands and many other drugstore brands, you are getting a lot of product here. 8 ml is not a joke, it's quite a lot of product for the price you're paying. Formula on this mascara is waterproof. It is not clumpy, it is not goopy, and the product which you see inside the formula, it's very thin. So when you will remove your brush, you don't see a lot of product settling into your brush. Instead, there is only a right amount of product in the bristle which allows your lashes to hug onto mascara and apply evenly because the formula is not very thick or not watery. So it applies really well. It is a jet black mascara. So all the 3 mascaras you get jet black application and they really give you the volume, the lengthening and the curling which you're expecting from all the 3. So all in all, the formula is really well done. Brushes on all the 3 mascaras are well done. Talking about the lengthening specifically, I realized that this mascara has bristles on the end of the mascara brush as well, which allows this mascara wand to go into your inner corners of your lashes and apply evenly on every hair you have. Saying that, the curling and volumizing brush as well coats your lashes evenly and give you the right amount of length as well as curling. And for that matter, volumizing. So the product is not so thin, not so thick, and the bristles are so fine that they hugs every lash of yours and apply the mascara evenly. Definitely being waterproof, these mascaras are long lasting. They easily stays up to 6 to 7 hours. I have not worn these mascaras more than that, so I cannot say they stay for 24 hours or 18 hours, but straight up they stay for 6 to 7 hours without clumping and without falling off on my eyes. Now for some reason I'm not a person who enjoys waterproof mascara, but there are very few waterproof mascaras I absolutely love. So yes, since I love very few, like only 1 or 2, this has definitely made it to that basket of love because the formula on this is pretty light. They do not hurt my lashes and they are definitely very easy to remove mascaras. So yes, being waterproof formula, it just removes easily without taking my lashes away. So all in all, a well done formula, good impact it gives me, and yes, I really love my lashes the way it applies on. So I absolutely love all the three, but yes, hang on, let's see the application and know all the mascaras one by one. First up, we have the Nykaa Lash Talk Curling Mascara, which will help to separate your lashes and give you those stunning curls. Now if you have lengthened lashes, then you just need those curls, then I think you should be buying this one. This will really give you those amazing curls while lifting them and putting them at one place. Being the formula waterproof, it really holds up for the longest time. By saying that, the curls will just not disappear in 3 to 4 hours. It will stay there till the time you remove your makeup. Moving on to another wonderful mascara, and this is definitely made for the girls and the women who want little length in their lashes. So if you have short lashes or you feel you cannot see your lashes really well, even applying a good mascara, then definitely go in with this one. This is the Nykaa Like It Long Lengthening Mascara. Again, something aptly made for lengthening, and when even I was applying this mascara, I could see lengthening happening. But if you just need good length, then this is the mascara to go for. It really separates your lashes and give you that lengthened and a little lift to your lashes. So just expect lengthening with this mascara. Do not expect volumizing or curling. It can just give you lengthening. I absolutely love the lengthening mascara as well, but definitely not more than my curling one, because I already have good lashes. It's just that if you have good lashes, this is just going to coat them up and give a little more. But if you have short lashes, then this is the one to go for. And to finish it off, you need to have a volumizing mascara. So they have got us a volumizing mascara as well, which is called as the Super Sizer. Now I don't understand this name, but yes, it is definitely a super volume mascara, which will definitely give you a lot of intense volume in your lashes. Now yes, I did apply this mascara by itself, as well as I do like to mix in my mascara. So if I want really good intense lashes with a lot of wispiness going on, then I would like to mix in with my curling mascara by Nykaa. So I like to go in with the volume first and then go in with the curling, or the curling first or the volumizing. Basically mix both the mascaras and just to see the best lashes. So yes, definitely worth trying. I really like the volumizing mascara as well. Compared to many other drugstore mascaras I've tried, Nykaa also has done an amazing job here. So all in all, you have 3 variants to choose from. It's pretty confusing which one should I be buying. I would highly suggest you buy the volumizing by default. But if you want to add a length, then go in with the lengthening. Or if you do not want to add length and you just want a little curling, then just go in with the curling and volumizing. Like, these are the best combos I'm enjoying lately. Removing these mascaras from your lashes is like a cakewalk. Just pick up any oil you have, any balm, any micellar water, just take it on a cotton pad and just remove it, and they are gone without tampering your own lashes. That is the art of these mascara. Being waterproof, they are not strongly held onto your lashes and make your life miserable. So yes, easy to remove, easy to handle, and easy to wear. So now you know all about these 3 wonderful mascaras by Nykaa, for the pricing, for the amount of product you get in here, and the wonderful formula on these. Will definitely help you achieve some amazing lengthening, curling, as well as volumizing. But I would highly suggest you to get at least 2 out of 3. Why? Volumizing is a must. Now you have to pick up one from lengthening or curling. Curling, if you have good length, then you just need curling. But if you have short length, then just go in with the lengthening and volumizing. Both mascaras work absolutely wonderful on the eyes. So you do not want to miss on those amazing wispy lashes. Just do not buy one. Get at least 2. Since I love these mascaras so much, there is a giveaway which is happening on my Instagram. So if you haven't been following me on my Instagram @BrandsandGeek, just go ahead and follow me and read the description, follow the rules and enter the giveaway. I will be announcing the winner on a certain day, and one of you can win 2 of these interesting Nykaa Lash Drop Mascara of your own choice. I will be here soon with some more makeup, some more skincare. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram @BronzingKey. Till then, you take care and I will see you in my next one.